Day 6 of social isolation project, little Yamaha TT250, nearly ready to come off the stand. I've just got to fabricate some brackets to hold the front of the tank down, the XT tank. So this is a TT with an XT tank and everything else is TT, and it's a mate to this one over here that I built a few years ago, which is an XT250 with the YZ front and rear suspension. So they're almost a matching pair. Anyway, a little bit of work to go, but overall pretty good. I like this. This is an original headlamp off a TT. I salvaged this off one of my other bikes, and the boots came off another bike. Just put them through the washing machine, off they went, all good. But overall this will be a nice little bike to ride. It's not a concourse bike, but it is a very nice little bike and worth the effort.